Do not overestimate affairs. One night, I was chatting with a friend and asked what she was up to. She said she was scrolling through the blog of a writer named Muzi Mei, adding some mischievous emojis. I knew of Muzi Mei, a bold writer who shares emotional advice and occasionally writes about her personal relationships, including one with a married taxi driver she calls the driver. Muzi Mei openly flaunts her status as the third party, treating it as a badge of honor. For years, her audacious stories have captured attention. Her posts make her relationship with the driver seem tender, almost romantic, like to people deeply in love. But one day, this fairy tale ended. The driver returned to his family. Heartbroken, Muzi Mei shared her pain on social media, alternating between anger and sorrow. The driver, upset by her public revelations, filed a lawsuit against her. What seemed like a passionate affair unraveled into chaos, showing how affairs often end in heartbreak. A familiar tale of heartbreak. A reader named Lily once shared her story. Lily was a teacher with a stable family, husband and an 8-year-old daughter. During a college reunion, she reconnected with her first love. He expressed regret about their breakup and asked for another chance. Though hesitant, Lily was tempted, and they started an affair. The affair added excitement to Lily's otherwise routine life. Her husband began to seem dull, and she even considered divorce. When she finally divorced and surprised her first love with the news, his enthusiasm vanished. He avoided her and eventually cut all contact. Heartbroken, Lily realized she had lost her family for an illusion. Why affairs rarely last. Affairs often seem thrilling, but they are fragile because they lack the foundation of shared responsibilities. When faced with real-life challenges, the allure fades, and people return to their stable lives. A warning for women. Women are more likely to invest emotionally in relationships, making them vulnerable in affairs. Men, however, are typically more pragmatic and will retreat when their interests are at risk. Instead of seeking excitement outside, it's wiser to address issues within a marriage. Affairs are usually illusions that bring more pain than happiness. The risks far outweigh the fleeting excitement.